Today we're learning how to say I see in Croatian. Ja vidim, I see. Ja vidim Mačku, the cat is the object that I see. Ja vidim ženu, I see a woman. Žena changes to ženu. Ja vidim jabuku, I see an apple. Jabuka changes to jabuku. Ja vidim kuću, I see a house. Kuća changes to kuću. The accusative case is used for the direct object. Vidim Mačku, I see a cat. What do I see? Mačku is the direct object that I see. Today we learned how to use the accusative case with feminine nouns in Croatian. The A ending in Mačka changes to U, Mačku. We learned how to say ja vidim, I see. Next lesson, we'll learn the neuter accusative case.